following video is rated PG-13, which may contain scenes and themes unsuitable for people under the age of 13.
A nyíregyháziak rettegnek ma este, mivel a Bad Piggies maffia a közelmúltban konténereket kezdett építeni a környék nagy részén, és ártatlan civilek kínzására és meggyilkolására használja a maffia tiszteletlenségét.
Megtaláltuk a lányokat a konténerben. Mind meghaltak.
A fenébe.
What is your biggest fear?
Taylor Swift. I'm not trying to offend you or anything, but do you look like Taylor Swift?
What are you talking about? Es ist cool, das sage ich Ihnen, keine Regeln im zerbrechlichen Himmel. Aber ich bin so lonely. Es ist ein grausamer Sommer mit dir.
Why do you need that cross?
God used this curse to free Chuck from his fear of Taylor Swift, or Taylorphobia. The power of Christ compels you.
What kind of man would get away with killing 4 women in one single container?
What are you talking about? I didn't kill those girls.
There are more and more containers being built in and around Gaza, and in factories, homes, gardens, everywhere. These are documents about container company you are associated with. He proves that you ordered almost every single of these to kill people. What is happening? Why did you pull over?
Turn this kid over to us so we can use it as our container plot.
No! The ambulance is coming, and you gotta hang in there. Please don't go.
Es wird viel passieren. Nichts bleibt mehr gleich. Nichts bleibt beim Alten wie gehabt. Es wird viel passieren. Es wird viel passieren. Nichts bleibt mehr gleich. Nichts bleibt beim Alten wie gehabt. Es wird passieren.
Hey, Kiff. Is it okay if I, have a chat?
What about Uncle Terrence?
Have you ever done football in your life?
Well, no, not likely. Football's a men's sport, isn't it?
I see. But have you ever seen my daughter running to the field and scoring a touchdown?
This isn't America, this is Hungary. You know, where we have things like the Hortobagi, Hungaricum, Strong, Pisti, and others.
You know what I'm talking about, Kiff. You can't live your whole life feeling bored and not having a team to compete in. You should go out there, make some allies and friends, and become a professional team player. It's every kid's dream.
Oh, actually, I have got a better idea.
Access granted.
What's up?
Orange, what the hell are you doing here?
That's my question. What are you doing in my gaming room?
This isn't your gaming room anymore, Orange. I'll use that as an esports gaming room from that point up.
What? Have you unexpectedly taken over my gaming room for a esports tournament?
No, go on, go!
What the heck? What is happening?
Hey, what is this? How did we get teleported here?
Shut up, guys. It's game time. Are you ready, opponents?
Yeah, we're born ready.
We are so gonna beat you to the ground for this.
We're gonna win this war for Terrence.
We'll see about that. Let the battle commence.
Hello gamers, my name is Zoe Davy from Minecraft News Gone Crazy, and welcome to Villagerware. This is basically like WarioWare in Minecraft, but it's a tournament. In this game show, or esports tournament, or whatever you call it, you have to complete 4 games for a chance to win a whopping $100,700. Now, without further ado, let's begin. First up, Cow the Cow.
No, the cow. How do you even do that? This doesn't make any sense.
Do we milk it or something?
Moo. 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 Moo.
What the heck? What just happened?
How she meant. No, the cow until it explodes. I think that counts as a win, I guess.
Game 2, go outside for a walk for fun.
Oh my god, what the hell is that thing? Get that stupid thing off my face.
failed. Try again next time. Game 3. Prevent the zombie apocalypse.
Oh no! What the hell is this?
You are so done.
You failed. Final game. The ultimate showdown is here. Let's see if either Team Kiff or Team Chuck will win the money.
Oh my god. Yes, we did it. We won the tournament. Woohoo. Take that, Kiff.
We were so close to winning. This is just not fair.
So what happened in the esports game, Chuck?
Oh, well, we competed against Kiff in a WarioWare-like game, and I won.
Wow. You actually win an esports tournament. That's amazing.
Turns out that Kiff secretly owns a gaming room in a shoebox closet on Orange's behalf.
We're so glad you won, my boy. We couldn't be any prouder.
Hi, guys. I don't want to alarm you, but I just got this weird letter from the mailbox this morning. Yeah. It's from Eon. I think you should go and give it a read.
Great. Another bill. Oh my god.
What happened, Matilda?
Someone is threatening me and wrote that in an Eon energy bill. It even had a picture of a container in it.
Hold on. Let me read it. Dude, this is sick. Who would write this in an energy bill?
Probably some stupid teenagers who vandalize bills for fun.
No, it's worse.
What are you talking about? No, they wouldn't.
Hello. That was the last mistake you've ever made in your life, Roman. What kind of sick monster would join forces with the FBI? I saw it on the news and proved that you were an FBI agent. You joined there 2 days ago.
Howard, look. Whatever's going on, I'll tell you everything. We can sort this problem in peace.
Too late. I have heard enough. Eugene is still missing, and the FBI is even interfering. I am so sick and tired of being held up in this bullcrap. I have no other option but to end you and your wife's life once and for all. And how? I planted a bomb underneath your car. It has a motion sensor device in it, and if you get out of this car, you and your wife will die. Even if you stop, you'll still die anyway. Don't expect me to find you in the trunk, sucker. Good luck.
Christine, pack your things. We have to go. Look, we don't have enough time, okay? We need to leave Ni'Ihaza as far away as possible. Howard and the bad piggies are about to kill us. They planted a bomb underneath the car.
What?
Come on.
Roman, please stop the car.
I can't. If one of us gets out of the car, the motion sensor device is about to activate, and the car will blow up.
You're crazy, Roman. The police are going to arrest us for this.
Just shut up and let me drive, okay?
What are you doing? Why did you stop?